Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid in Ohio. Applying for Medicaid can seem complex, but we'll break it down into simple steps. Medicaid offers essential health coverage to eligible Ohio residents, ensuring access to vital medical services. Understanding the application process is key to securing these benefits for yourself or your family. We'll cover the various methods available for submission and what information you'll need to have ready. To qualify for Ohio Medicaid, you must meet specific eligibility criteria, primarily related to your income and household size. For example, a single adult might qualify with an income at or below 138% of the federal poverty level. These limits are updated annually. Certain groups, like pregnant individuals, children, and those with disabilities, may have different income thresholds. You also need to be an Ohio resident and a United States citizen or a qualified non-citizen. There are several convenient ways to apply for Ohio Medicaid. The quickest and most recommended method is online through the Ohio Benefits website, which allows for electronic submission and faster processing. Alternatively, you can download a paper application, complete it, and mail it to your county Department of Job and Family Services. For those who prefer, applying by phone is an option by calling the Ohio Medicaid Consumer Hotline. You can also apply in person at your local county agency. Once you submit your Ohio Medicaid application, the agency will begin reviewing your information and verifying your eligibility. They might contact you to request additional documents or to schedule an interview to clarify details. A decision is usually made within 45 days, though it can take longer in some cases. If approved, you will receive an Ohio Medicaid card and information about your benefits, allowing you to access necessary healthcare services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.